There's some more river by this road we were at. It's a flowing really good.
My goodness, it's coming fast. It's like going around here and over around
The sun's kind of in our eyes. And look what happened to the road. It's really pretty in here, but I don't think I want to walk over that. So we think we'll go the other way, huh, Mom?
I think so. I agree.
Do you concur?
I concur.
Here. So just kind of slowly, hold it very steady.
Okay.
Slowly.
I had
And
to get you in there.
yeah. See? Have you seen me yet?
No. Oh, okay. Oh, now I got
It's kind
you.
of hard to see, but if I were to
I
go over
got
this
you.
way?
I got you.
Okay.
Now I don't know it. Oh, here you are.
So it's really
I got
pretty.
you. Oh, yeah, I got you now. Oh, perfect. Got
Yeah.
you here. This
Got
is
a little
perfect,
walk.
Trace. Isn't she beautiful, John?
Aww. Oops, get the hand out of the way.
Oops. He'll
Good job.
enjoy that. It was hard to see because the sun was in my eyes.
I know.
But I got